Okay, so along the way we found another waterfall. Starts all the way at the top where you see the sky breaking through. And it comes down and empties into that pool.
Now, if you, I don't know if you can see or not, but you can see tiny little waterfalls starting to form right there as it's coming down. Those started just like that, and now we have another waterfall just beginning. As you see, further up, all you need is more water and more power coming down. Nature at its best. Scan down into the basin where it's falling into.
Thank you, Mr. Director. There's no way for us to get down there because, trust me, we would have done it. But as you can see, it's just a straight drop and a bridge. So you can't really get down there. Aloha.